Knowing when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies is a challenge. Now, using AI, that challenge is far less challenging because we have AI to read real-time data, and we can do that using the CoinGPT Telegram bot or app. Some of you will have this already. If you don't, link in the description below, you can go along with me. I'm going to show you exactly how to analyze coins in real time using AI to get a bias, stop loss, take profit level. Let's look together. So using the link below, you can follow along. We're going to press analyze. You access that through the menu there, analyze. And what you can do with this bot is click any coin you see through any of the menus, and you can get a real-time bias, including the stop loss and take profit. Not only can you click it, you could literally search any coin you wanted to. For example, let's do an AI coin, as this is an AI bot. Let's do 𝗫 protocol. So I've put that in. The bot is now analyzing the market data, feeding it through its AI. The default time frame here is the 1 hour, and it's actually giving us a sell signal. It's giving us a take profit level, a stop loss level, and a little synopsis as well of what you can expect from the market. There's many other features to discuss in this bot which are part of this series, so make sure you follow along for the next video, subscribe as well. But let's see how to get a bias together. So you can change the time frame out. For example, maybe we wanted to go on a different time frame. We've looked at the 1 hour. If we were to go right down to the 15-minute time frame, we may get the same bias, but you may get different levels. So it's still a sell short signal, but the take profit and stop loss levels vary. In fact, we have confluence now from the lower time frame and the higher time frame to suggest this is a short signal. For example, we could go all the way up to the daily, and we may not get a sell short signal. It may be long, it may be neutral. Let's see together. So it's neutral now. So we know that on the lower time frame, 𝗫 token is looking pretty bearish according to AI, according to the technicals. You can see some other things as well. For example, the detailed analysis showing us the different indicator values it's going by. We can view coin information, which is quite neat as well, to see how that coin fares against all other cryptocurrencies, things like the volume, which is down. We can even generate a chart in the time frame that we're in. So we are currently in the 15-minute time frame, and we're now going to get a chart for that time frame you can see here. So there you go. So very interesting, very neat. Let me know if you have any questions by commenting below, and of course link in the description to try CoinGPT for free, and you can start analyzing coins with AI as well.